Question: how to create a domain in Internet? Answer: creating a domain on the Internet involves a few steps. Choose a domain name. Select a unique and memorable domain name that represents your website or brand. It should be easy to spell and not too long. Common domain extensions include .com, .org, .net, and many more. Check domain availability. Use a domain registrar's website, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains, to check if your chosen domain name is available. If it's already taken, you may need to consider alternative names or extensions. Register the domain. Once you find an available domain, you can register it through a domain registrar. This typically involves paying a yearly fee. Make sure to provide accurate contact information during the registration process. Set up domain hosting. To make your website accessible on the Internet, you'll need web hosting. You can either choose a hosting provider and purchase a hosting plan separately, or some registrars offer hosting services as well. Connect your domain to your hosting by configuring the domain's DNS settings. Create website content. After setting up hosting, you can start creating and uploading the content for your website. This includes text, images, videos, and any other elements you want to include. Configure DNS settings. Depending on your hosting provider, you may need to configure DNS settings to point your domain to your web server's IP address. This is typically done through your domain registrar's control panel. Build your website. You can build your website using various tools and platforms like WordPress, Wix, or custom coding, depending on your skills and needs. Test your website. Before making it public, thoroughly test your website to ensure it functions correctly and looks good on different devices and browsers. Publish your website. Once you're satisfied with your website, you can make it live by adjusting DNS settings to point your domain to your web server. Promote your website. Promote your website through various online and offline channels to attract visitors and potential customers. Remember that registering a domain and creating a website can vary in complexity depending on your technical skills and the complexity of your project. If you're new to this, you may want to seek help from professionals or use website builders that simplify the process.